All right, here we are at our 2013 Leisure Craft 242 rental fleet pontoon boat for sale. We're here on the beautiful freshwaters of Norris Lake, Tennessee. We are just north of Knoxville, Tennessee today. This one has been a rental boat since 2013 season. It does have higher engine hours on it. It is powered by a 115 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke outboard motor. And as you can see, it is equipped with the bimini top, low maintenance vinyl flooring. We've got the roto molded plastic seat bases. This one's rated for 14s, 8.5 foot beam, 24 foot long pontoon boat. We're here for a walkthrough video tour. And we won't mention the asking price in the video tours because those will often change until the listing is sold. So I would encourage you to visit our website to see the current asking price, as well as contact us with any questions, or to submit an offer, or arrange time to come view this one in person. Website's very easy to navigate, www.yournewboat.com. You'll see the orange lettering, that's how you know you're there. Look for the Find Your New Boat button in the top left-hand corner. Click that, and that's going to show you all of our inventory and order price. And just scroll down until you get to this one. Again, 2013 Leisure Craft 242 pontoon boat. You'll see the asking price right there. You'll be able to click into a detailed photo slideshow where you'll see additional photos and the full list of specifications for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you our Helm Station, and then we'll do a walk around and try to show you all the wear and tear on this one. You know, this one does have some heavy use from the rental program. It is being sold as is. So here at our Helm Station, we've got a Jensen. This is an AM/FM USB auxiliary input satellite ready stereo. It's got 6 speakers. Now we've function tested, and 3 of those 6 speakers are working at the time of this video. Battery voltmeter, fuel gauge does have a little crack on it. Speedometer, tachometer with built-in hour meter. There's your engine alarm and drive trim. Now the Humminbird 143 depth fish finder is currently not operational, and the horn is not operational. We do have a 12-volt power outlet here at the Helm Station as well. And additionally, I have function tested the navigation lights, the docking lights, and the courtesy lights. And those all worked perfectly fine as of the time of this video. Engine hours are reading 1,672.5. So we'll probably list that as 1,673 hours. I'll start that for you. You'll hear that beep indicates that the engine alarm is functional, and then when the beep goes away, it tells you there's no current alarms present. So I'll go ahead and shut that off now. We do have 5 integrated cup holders throughout. You've got a pair up here near your bow, one at the driver's helmet, and then 2 more back here at your L-shape rear seat. We've got 4 entry gates on this one, meaning you can board from either bow, stern, or port or starboard sides. And we've got a ski tow bar as well. 25-inch diameter pontoons. And our battery is mounted just underneath this little sun lounge back here. There's your single battery. You can see where that ski tow bar is mounted into the floor, and there's a better look at that engine cowling. I believe this is about a 26-gallon aluminum fuel tank that Leisure Craft has kind of underneath that rear hatch. Of course, the fuel fill is on the side. All right, bimini top overhead, low maintenance vinyl flooring. I'm gonna start trying to show you all the areas of wear. Now this is a 4-step swim boarding ladder. We are missing the corner bumper plate back here on the rear, and this one, just about all of the upholstery is showing some rips or tears here or there in just about every section. I'll try to show you some of that. We've got some dings to the aluminum fencing on the side, some heavy wear back here near your fuel fill, and you know, some bumps and scrapes and bruises here and there throughout. That's what you can expect in these rental fleet pontoons that have been run for typically about more than 3 seasons is when you're going to start seeing a lot heavier use. As you look down in that plastic sided roto molded plastic seat bases, again, just about all the upholstery pieces have some wear. Now this will be discounted pretty heavily. So you will have a later model pontoon boat, 24-foot pontoon boat with vinyl flooring and a 4-stroke outboard engine for a pretty attractive price. Now, there's a rip in the vinyl flooring here and over here. This boat is usable as it sits. Some people might want to replace upholstery. Some will just prefer to take that discounted price and continue to use it as is. Fencing on this panel has been replaced at one point. And let's see, bimini top's got some tears in it here and there. Let's try to show you those. All right, head back over to the exterior. I tried to do another little detailed walk around the exterior, let you look for wear and tears. I'll get a little closer this time. We are missing a splash guard on either side of your front pontoons. And again, you've got your occasional scrapes, dents and dings here and there. Docking lights mounted just under your the bow up here, and you're also you're missing a splash guard on both sides of your port side pontoon, and you've got one of 2 splash guards left on the starboard side. So that's going to start to wrap things up on this one. Again, this is the 2013 Leisure Kraft Pontoon 242 rental fleet pontoon boat for sale here on Norris Lake. Trailer's not going to be included in the price of this one, but we can get you a new trailer at our cost, or we can arrange to have this one delivered to you. Again, visit the website for more details. We don't monitor the YouTube comment page, so if you're seeing this on YouTube and would like more information, click over our website. You can reach us by phone, by text, or by email. And right about now, you'll see a yournewboat.com logo pop up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. And if you would like to be notified of any new listings, you can subscribe to our YouTube page, and that is the best way to do that. You'll be one of the first ones to see new inventory coming to our website if you just subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thanks again for joining us.